Close your eyes and imagine a computer so powerful it could solve problems faster than all the computers on Earth combined. Sounds impossible? That's not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the real promise of quantum computing, where the rules of physics bend into pure magic. Every computer you've ever used, from your phone to NASA's supercomputers, speaks one language: bits. A bit is simple. It's either a 0 off or a 1 on. Billions of these on and off switches create everything you see on your screen. But here's the catch: they can only do one thing at a time. Now, nature is not that simple. Particles at the tiniest scale don't follow just off or on. They can exist in multiple states at once. Think of it as a coin spinning in the air, not heads, not tails, but both, until it finally lands. This mysterious in-between world is called superposition. And that's the superpower behind quantum computing. Instead of a regular bit, quantum computers use a qubit. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. That means, while a normal computer checks possibilities one by one, a quantum computer explores countless possibilities at once. Imagine trying every key in the world to open a lock in seconds. But there's more. Qubits can also form a strange bond called entanglement. Imagine two magic dice. No matter how far apart they are across the street or across galaxies, when one shows a number, the other instantly matches. Quantum computers use this instant connection to make qubits talk and solve big problems together. Think about it. If you asked a regular computer to find one needle in a haystack, it would check straw by straw. A quantum computer? It shakes the whole haystack at once, making the needle reveal itself. That's why quantum computing is so groundbreaking. So, what can they really do? Quantum computers could design brand new medicines by simulating molecules faster than any lab. They could create materials stronger than steel, but lighter than plastic. They could even crack the strongest digital locks, making today's cybersecurity look like child's play. Now, you might be thinking, great, when can I buy a quantum laptop? Well, not so fast. Quantum computers aren't replacing your smartphone. They're not for gaming or emails. They're special machines for special problems. Think of them as telescopes for science, not calculators for homework. Here's the twist: quantum computers are like divas. They need super cold temperatures, colder than outer space. Even the tiniest noise or vibration can destroy their delicate quantum state. Right now, scientists are racing to make them stable, reliable, and powerful enough for real-world use. Still, the race has begun. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and startups around the world are all building prototypes. Each year, they get a little stronger. And when these machines finally reach their full power, they could change everything from science and medicine to finance and space exploration. Think of classical computers as bicycles, reliable, fast enough for daily life. Quantum computers are rockets, expensive, experimental, but capable of taking us where bicycles could never go. That's the journey humanity is about to take, from roads to the stars, powered by quantum magic. If this blew your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got another tech mystery in mind? Drop it in the comments. Join the Thalavites' journey, where learning meets magic.